Hello traders, this is Trading the Trend. I'm Dennis and this is my weekend report, and what a week we had. First let's take a look at the my strong week rankings for the week ending August 28th. The euro is still number one, but it has had a major reversal. Aussie is still last, but it's showing signs of life. So let's take a look at some charts here. First, we're going to look at some equities. This is the Dow Jones 30, and what we have, this is the weekly chart, and we have this massive pin bar reversal. Pin bars are one of the strongest indicators we have, and some people may call these hammers, but this is like 1,300 points in the Dow. This thing reversed, so that is a massive reversal. Let's also take a look at the S&P 500. There we also have that big pin bar reversal, and if you look at in the past, every time we've had a substantial pullback, the market has ended with a pin bar. Pin bar there, pin bar, well, that's not so much of a pin bar, but still it was a reversal. And so I would very much expect to see prices move up from here. No guarantee of that, but it certainly is looking that way. Now let's look at some charts. Bring those over here. Okay, this is going to be the, actually that's not the one I want to look at first. We're going to look at this one first. Okay. This is the euro. This is the euro US dollar, and as you can see, this is the weekly chart, and we have a pin bar reversal in that one too. We broke higher. It looked like it was going to be a breakout high, but then price reversed and we finished back into this consolidation. And I would expect to see prices continue lower. No guarantee it's going to break through to new lows, but until it tells us something different, I will be trading this thing lower from here. Now let's take a look at the Aussie US dollar. It had a bit of a pullback here. It certainly finished well off the high, but kind of in the middle of its range for the week. So not really a pin bar, but you know, when you do see a pullback like that, it could mean that we could continue to move higher. And that is certainly possible when we look at our next chart, which is going to be the Euro Aussie. And here we are looking at a massive pin bar reversal on the weekly chart, and I would not be betting against this one. This is also the trade that I've been looking at, a head and shoulders top. Well, we kind of blew through that the previous week, but now that we have this reversal, we could be heading lower. So I'll definitely be looking for entries to get into this going lower in the coming weeks. This certainly could move all the way down at least to this 200-week moving average, to where it established a low before. So I'll be watching that. And let's see here. I think I have a couple more to look at. And if I can get it to come on over, there it is. And this is going to be the US dollar Japanese yen, and we also have this big pin bar reversal. Again, you know, when I see something like this on the weekly, I never trade against it. I would expect prices to continue up from here. So I would only want to be long in this trade. And that's what I got for you. Just a lot of reversal candles we're seeing. You can look into like some of the 4-hour charts. You're going to see these big pin bars when they actually took place on Monday. So far they're all holding, so you would not want to be trading against them. And I'll be looking for shorter time period trade entries to get in on these. You certainly could like on this one, you could go long right here, but then, you know, where's your stop going to be? It's going to be way down here, so you are taking on a lot of risk if you do go long right here. It just depends on your trading style. Me personally, I'll wait for a pullback and look for favorable entries. And I will talk to you all later.